Smith, what are you doing here?
Your mom employs me to clean your house.
I forgot. That's right. Today my mom has an appointment with her friends. So, what do?
I'm going to remove the dust from the shelves and furniture, and then vacuum and mop the floor. I will start in the living room, and then I am going to clean the kitchen and wash the dishes.
Sounds like you have a lot of work.
Yes, I do. If I have time, I will wash the clothes and iron them too.
Don't worry about my clothes. I can wash them by myself. My mom has taught me already.
All right. How about your bedroom?
Maybe just vacuum and mop.
How about dusting?
I did that this morning. But I think the bathroom needs to be cleaned, especially the shower.
Sure.
Oh no!
Oh,
Max, what have you done? I'm so sorry, Mrs. Smith. You almost finished too.
it's okay. Just leave it with me.
Hello, family. I'm home. Everything all right?
Yeah, everything went well.
Thank you so much for helping me clean the house.
My pleasure.
Thank you, Mrs. Smith. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Thank you.